Everybody, welcome back. Today we've got a panel and service change. This is going to be a home that was struck by lightning here in Port Washington, actually only a block away from my house. I remember when this specific lightning strike happened, I jumped out of bed. I was like, something is wrong. It was the loudest, closest lightning strike I must have experienced in my life. And here we are at the panel. So this panel got hit. As you can tell, we got plenty of damage there on the inside of the panel. We've got damage throughout a couple of different circuits in the home. To be determined as we go on. It's going to get deeper and deeper, but we know for sure we've got melted conductors on the AC circuit, on the stove circuit, and then on an outdoor GFCI circuit as well. So basically, we are going to have to do some intensive testing with all of these to make sure they're okay. But right off the bat, upon initial investigation, we found several circuits that were burnt out. GFCIs that were taken out, and then some devices in the home as well. So we're about to open up this panel and get going on the job, but that's the first little overview. I tell you guys, do not ever walk away from a panel that looks like this and say it's okay. Always, if you guys have a lightning strike and you got damage whatsoever, you really should take a deeper look and see what needs to be replaced. There was actually a local electrical contractor who came in here and looked at the stuff and told them, hey, looks fine to me, keep it running and see what else drops out with time. That's how you get a fire, because I mean, right off the bat, you can see that there are the sheathing from the NM is melted. It is deteriorated from how hot it got in that split second that it was struck by lightning. So we're gonna open up this panel here and see what it looks like on the inside. Right up there, so that's our AC whip. Looks like our telecommunications ground here was energized. Quite hot as well, so it just completely welded itself onto that whip. So it seems like most of what carried through obviously was on the ground. I've got lots of burn marks around all the connectors here. And then, on this whole panel in the front. So besides that, just coming up to the panel inconspicuously, you really can't tell that anything might be wrong with this panel right now. But in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, whatever it might be, when these components have been degraded to the point that they are with a lightning strike like this, you never know. You automatically void all of the manufacturer's warranty recommendations and listings. That's why it's got to be swapped out. It's really, really a bad idea to walk away from something like this after a lightning strike. And here on the outside, as you can see, got really, really close to starting a big fire. So the homeowners are definitely lucky that they were able to catch it quick and didn't cause any more damage than this. So siding was starting to melt up here. As you can see, they had to totally replace it down there. Small fire, would call it, but could have definitely gotten way worse than this.